All right. Well, thank you for joining me. So, I'm doing another update on my portfolio, and these are my investments. I'm not telling you to go buy these investments or anything, but this is just what I'm investing in and kind of showing my growth through my portfolio. So, you can see that the first probably 13 or so slots right here are just individual ETFs or stocks or mutual funds or kind of any category that they have. And basically it shows you how many shares I have. So this is kind of one of my bigger positions right here, PGHY. Right now I'm down about $13 and total value right now is about $3,900. So that's a pretty big position in my portfolio. I really like the stock or ETF. It pays out about a 5.31% dividend, and it's been paying it monthly for a pretty long time. It's been pretty consistent on its payout, and that's kind of why I really like this ETF, just because of the consistency. I have a few other ones, so all of them are dividend paying, and that's why I have this dividend tracker. So if we go down, I still have the same amount of shares about a week or two ago when I last made my update video, and you can see that I make about, estimated about $552 a year just in dividends. So based off that portfolio of all my stocks, it comes out to about a 5.64% return each year just on dividends. So if the price of the stock doesn't move anywhere, I still make about 5.64%. Now, if the price goes down, I can lose a little bit, but that 5.64 gives me a little bit of buffer. So if I do lose a little bit, I still have, dividends that will make up or offset some of those losses. Now, I also do options, and so that's not really on this page, but I do calculate those. So for January, I've made about 3 trades so far in option trading, and you can see the first one was in Tesla. I actually sold it. I made about $14 on that one for a fairly quick trade, from the 22nd to the 28th, so like 6 days I made $14, which, I'm not going to become a millionaire with that, but at least I didn't lose any money. And I actually would have lost money if I would have held on to it, because that's when Tesla just like spiked up. So next one was on I think that's First Solar, or it's FSLR, but basically I was an iron condor, so basically I was saying that price was going to stay between these price points at this given point, and I was up. I think the most I could lose on the trade was about $120, and the most I could make was about $60. I hit my profit target of about 50%, so I made about $32 on that trade, and that trade was, I held it for a little bit of close to a month, a little less than a month, and making $30 just on that one trade. So pretty decent, especially for an iron condor. You just do them month after month after month. Right now I'm still in a sell for a vertical spread, or kind of a bearish vertical spread in the Russell 2000, so the IWM. Currently, I think I'm down about $17 or so on that one, but I did receive a credit. So again, when you sell options, you're kind of acting as the insurance company, and so I'm saying that price is going to be below this 170 mark, and since I received that credit, my break-even point, so where I don't lose anything on the trade and don't make anything on the trade, would be about, if it closes around $171 or so, that would be my break-even point. But right now I think it's trading for about 167-ish, so I still have some wiggle room, and hopefully it just keeps on going down, because that's how I'm going to make money. So that's my options trading. With that credit that I received, I'm up about $72 for the past month or so, just because I started late in January. So that's not too bad, making about $72 for this month of February. I'm going to be putting on some more, and I possibly will update you on those with another video. But let's get back to the other one here. And you can see that I have my Fundrise account, which is, just consistently making me, some passive income. I think each day I make about 30 cents, which, over time, the more I put money into it, I've seen people who have like $100,000 in the Fundrise account, and they're making about $700 a month. Just in the dividends. So I think that's just, so I would like $700 extra a month. So just putting money, and that's how you grow, that's how you grow a portfolio. You just keep on adding month after month. Added a little bit more to my 401k. That's just kind of off my top of my pay. So every month I put in I put 8% in, I think. Yeah, I put 4% in IRA, 4% in Roth, and then my company matches me 4%. So that's, awesome. Again, with my HSA, it's not invested in anything just yet, just because I have to hit the $2,000 mark before I can invest my HSA money. So I'm waiting on that. And then I have some bonds that really are earning like 2 or 3%. Actually, I think they're like 2.3%. Just to be precise. So you can see from my last update on 2/11, from what's it called, to now, which is I think almost exactly like 11 days. If you look at that, I've made about $40-ish or so, probably 38. Oops, sorry. I'll give you the right here. So if I get 20.166 minus the 202.82 or 83, I made about $36.41 in those past 11 days. And so not doing doing pretty good, making money. So that's what it's about. Just keep on growing this portfolio. Again, if you haven't watched any of my other videos, my goal is to kind of get this account up to, or get my investments up to $100,000 within 5 years. So in 5 years, I want this to be about $100,000. So hopefully, you stay tuned, subscribe, and just kind of watch my progress. And, hopefully it gives you guys the, encouragement and sort of, drive to be financially free and try to, start saving your money, start investing it so you can, retire financially free and you don't have to worry about, making ends meet. You have all this passive income coming in, and that's kind of what I'm doing, and in hopes of, having a good life and, not having to really worry about money, given I don't really worry too much about money anyways, but just because I have a decent job and I have money coming in, and God has just blessed me so much with great family, and so money's not the end all be all. So don't just be driving for money, but definitely you got a plan. So all right, well, thank you for watching this video. I know I kind of went on a little bit, but hopefully you can get started and just start buying some stocks every month, just here and there, and then sooner or later you're like, whoa, look at this, I have $20,000. I don't know how that happened, but now I have $20,000 in investments. So that's nothing to be skimped at. $20,000 is $20,000. So all right, well, thank you. Have a wonderful night, or have a good day whenever you watch this. All right. And thank you. Bye.